Hello everyone, how are you? I'm so excited to see you all. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Miss Azos and we're going to do some math today. So let's get started. We have two goals today. Our first goal is I can write numbers that are one more and one less. Our second goal today is I can write numbers that are 10 more and 10 less. Okay, mathematicians, we are going to practice these skills by answering some questions. So my first question for you is, what is one more than 43? At this point, pause the video and write your answer down. You got it! One more than 43 is 44. Now, when you added one more to 43, did the ones change or did the tens change? When I look over at these two numbers, I see that the ones have changed, but the tens didn't. So that must mean that when I add one more, the ones change. So that means if I were to subtract 1, all I would have to do is take 1 away from the ones place. Now that we know what happens when we add or subtract 1, let's think about what happens when we add or subtract 10. Okay, let's try it out. What is 10 more than 43? At this point, pause the video and write your answer down. You got it! 10 more than 43 is 53. But this time, did the tens change or did the ones change? Let's take a look at our numbers. I see that the tens changed, but the ones stayed the same. So when I add 10 more, the tens change by 1. And it's the same thing for subtraction. If we subtract 10 from 43, we get 33. And if we look at our numbers, all we do is we take 1 away from the tens place to get that 33. We got it. If we add or subtract 10, the tens place changes by 1. If we add or subtract 1, the ones place changes by 1. Okay, friends, now that we're all warmed up, it's time for our rapid round. You may be wondering, what is a rapid round, Miss Azos? Well, let me tell you. I am going to be asking questions about more and less, and we're going to answer them together. You ready? Let's begin. What is 1 more than 67? You just add 1 to the ones place. 1 more than 67 is 68. Okay, the next one. What is 1 less than 31? You just subtract 1 from the ones place. 1 less than 31 is 30. Now, what is 10 more than 30? You just add 1 to the tens place this time. 10 more than 30 is 40. What is 10 less than 89? I want to hear you say it. You subtract 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 89 is 79. You got it. Wow, we covered a ton of content in this video. Now we need to ask ourselves, did we reach our goals? Our first goal was, I can write numbers that are 1 more and 1 less. And our second goal was, I can write numbers that are 10 more and 10 less. Wow, we definitely did a lot of practicing in this video, so I think we for sure did. And now it's time for you to practice these skills at home. thank you for practicing these skills with me. I can't wait to dive deeper into place value, as next lesson we are going to continue with more or less, but we're also going to look at patterns on a 100s chart. I hope you have a great rest of your day. It was so great to see you all. Bye.